Hi everyone, a very good evening. This is your Naresh. Today I thought I would like to deliver something with you. Those are regarding earning an income. Do you guys ever heard about the active income and the passive income? I know guys, most of the people are known about this active income because everyone is familiar with the employee life and job, right? 9 to 5 job. Go to work, come back home, 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 right? So as you all know guys, during COVID, we had a lot of issues in not even in India, in everywhere, right? So during that time, most of the people were affected, jobless, and they have been deducted 50% of their salaries and 75% of their salaries, right? Have you ever noticed that why this has been happening? What is the reason behind that? The reason is that whatever we are doing the job 9 to 5, which is from 9 to 5, go to work, come back to home, 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 right? So this is our an active income. So that means in the term itself it says if it is an active income, you have to participate actively. As far as you are participating actively to earn some income, you will get the income. Simple. As good as that. So, whenever you are stopping activities to earn some income, obviously you will know you are not going to pay, right? The same thing has happened in the COVID with so many people, right? So, what about the other one, passive income? I hope most of the people knows, but I believe that most of the common man doesn't know about this passive income, right? No issue. So I'll let you know what is passive income. Passive income is an income which can be earned without your active participation. That means someone is going to pay for you, right? If, for example, you have been paid, you have been planned to go to some, luxurious shopping malls, luxurious, uh, resorts and everywhere. So you need to pay something, right? You have to pay some bucks. But you are not going to pay for that, right? Someone who is working for you, they are going to pay your bills. That is what passive income. Guys, one thing is clear. It is not like that one day you can achieve that much of success. It will take time. It will take time. But to achieve something, at least we have to start something from somewhere, right? So I suggest everyone to focus on your passive income along with active income, guys. So further, any updates required on this passive income, please follow us on our page, the Entrepreneur School, and subscribe us, and we will help you how to make money through the passive income. Love you guys.